Today we are going to go camping. Okay? We're gonna go camping.
It's not there, Kai. That's what I can tell you.
Okay. So where is the campsite anyways?
Follow me if you want to know.
Okay. Jeez, I'm trying to record a video now, okay? Oh. I ran over a police car. Where are you?
Here.
Where?
Here.
What is
the pool? Okay, here. I'm here. See the girl in Thailand?
Yes, I see you.
Hey.
Bumped into you.
Hey. Okay. Come here. See?
No, my truck is way bigger than your little golf cart.
See this place?
Oh yeah, so guys, today we're gonna go camping. Now can you please take your car away because I'm gonna park my camper van there? Or you could just cancel your car, like take it away.
Okay, there. So guys, I got pants and shirt.
So there is the camper van. I'm gonna place one tent. And
No, I'm gonna place my own tent.
a sleeping bag.
Hey,
I don't want to sleep.
Okay, let's place.
You know what?